Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we're making chocolate muffins. We're going to start with 420 grams of plain flour, 300 grams of granulated sugar, 120 grams of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to give this a quick mix to combine all the ingredients. Once that's all combined, we are going to add in 543 grams of chocolate chunks. I'm using milk chocolate, but you can use any you like. Make sure you save them for later as we're going to sprinkle them on top just before they bake. We add the chocolate chunks in now to make sure they don't sink and so that they are evenly distributed in the muffin. In a separate bowl, we're going to start with 340 grams of yogurt. To this, add in 4 eggs. Pour in 240 ml of milk. Whisk this mixture until it's roughly combined. Once that's done, pour in 240 ml of vegetable oil. Now you can whisk it until fully combined. Just saying, this recipe makes a lot of muffins, about 24 to 28. I'll put in the measurements for a smaller batch in the description box below. All we're going to do is just pour the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. We need to mix this until there are no pockets of flour, but don't overmix. It's also a good idea to switch to a spatula. In a lined tin, add an equal amounts of batter to each case. With muffins, you want to fill it about 3/4 of the way up, so roughly 3 tablespoons for each muffin. Don't forget to sprinkle the saved chocolate chunks on top. And I'll bake this in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 14 to 16 minutes. And that's it. These muffins are crazy good and so easy to make. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, comment and share.